Hey guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be like a get ready with me and pack with me for my weekend away. So I'm getting my nails done today and I'm getting my eyebrows done tomorrow, and then like Wednesday, Thursday I'll probably be packing, and then I leave on Friday. So if you want to see me like get ready for a weekend away and like what I pack, then please keep watching. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so I am going away this weekend. This weekend is bank holiday weekend. So basically there's a group of us going away to the Cotswolds. So on the way down, me and my boyfriend are going to like a hotel. Like on the Friday night, we're driving to Oxford because it's like halfway between like us and the Cotswolds, and also so Oxford's like a halfway point. So we're going to drive down to Oxford. On the Friday, we're gonna go into Oxford City Centre, get some dinner, have a look around, because neither of us have really been to Oxford before. So I'm excited to like see what it looks like and like how dinner is, because we're going to this like French restaurant. Apparently it's really nice, so I'm excited to see what that's like. So that'll be fun. And then we're staying overnight in a hotel, and then on Saturday we're gonna go to Bicester. So if you guys don't know what Bicester Village is, it's like this massive like designer outlet store. I haven't been there in years, like a very long time, so I'm really excited to go back there and just to like, you know, have a look around, see if there's anything nice I can buy that's not extortionately expensive, because I've been selling so many clothes on eBay and Depop at the moment, just like try and get some money whilst I'm not working. And also I needed to have a massive clear out. Like you guys saw my massive clear out video, like got rid of so much stuff, so I'm just selling that all at the moment. So I've made some money through that, so I was like, if there's something nice that I want to buy, then maybe I will. But also if it's not nice and I don't love it, then I'm not going to buy it, because there's no point buying expensive things if you don't love them, is what I think. Anyway, so that's kind of our plan. And then after we've been to Bicester, we're driving to the Cotswolds, where we're like meeting the others. And then yeah, I don't really know what our plans are. We're going go-karting on Sunday, so that should be fun. I haven't been go-karting in a good while, but I do like it when I go, so it should be fun. And like it's all like COVID friendly. Like apparently at the go-karting place you get like a new mask, new gloves, and like a sanitized suit and stuff, so it's all like precautions taken and stuff, so that's good. But yeah, it should just be like a really nice weekend to get away, have some fun. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and it should be a good trip. Me and my boyfriend have made like some drinking game things. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, there's like a drinking game Jenga and a drinking game card game. So like it should be fun. I'm excited. Like it'll be a nice weekend away, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So I thought I'd take you guys along on the journey with me to like get ready for a weekend. So I'm going to get my nails done this afternoon, and then I'm getting my eyebrows done tomorrow afternoon. They're currently drawn on, but if I got closer to you guys, like they're so bushy. So bushy. So yeah, I'll quickly show you what my nails look like, and then we will show you what they look like when we're done. I need to go get done is my nails. So this is what they look like currently, super grown out, and also they've got like pen and stuff on them. So I'm gonna go get my nails done, and then I'll show you them when I'm back. Okay, so I'm back home and my nails are done. I actually love them, guys. I think they're really cute. Very classy, not like my purple ones. My purple ones were getting like destroyed. They were really just not looking good anymore. So yeah, I think these are really cute, really classy, and I'm really happy with them. So I think now I'm just gonna go edit a video. I don't know why my camera's so zoomed in, but hi, this is nice and close. But yeah, so I think now I'm gonna go edit a video, and then I will check in with you tomorrow when I go get my eyebrows done. Okay, so it's now Tuesday, and I'm going to meet a friend, and I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. I currently have makeup on but no eyebrows, because I thought I'd just quickly show you guys like what my eyebrows look like before I get them done. So I haven't had them done in like, I want to say like almost, I don't even know how long it's been ages. So they're really like bushy, and I'm excited to like get them dyed and tidied up. So I'm gonna go meet my friend, so I'm gonna draw on my eyebrows, but I thought I'd just show you what they look like before. And then obviously I'll go get them done, and then when I'm back home I will show you what they look like. But yeah, here's the before of my eyebrows. Okay, it's quite a while later. So I went to see my friend after. Also, I don't know what's happening with my hair. I got caught in like a rainstorm, so I'm absolutely drenched, but my eyebrows are done. They just look so much better. But yeah, I went to their friends, it's quite a lot later. But yeah, eyebrows done, really happy with them. So I think I'll probably next like check in with you guys on like Thursday maybe, when I start packing. So obviously I need to like pack loads of outfits. I'll show you guys what I'm thinking of packing, but I've got some Zara boxes just arrived for potential like jeans and tops. So there'll be a haul going up. The haul will probably be already up when I upload this video, so if you want to see my Zara haul then I'll link that below. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys on Thursday. Oh, let me turn the fan off. Okay, so hello, it's me again. It is Wednesday today, and as you can see I've just finished a workout, hence why I'm really wet and sweaty and my hair's like gross. But yeah, so I thought I'd just quickly check in because basically I'm going to use my purple shampoo to try and like brighten my hair a bit more. So I used this on Monday, it's now Wednesday, and I read like online apparently you can use it twice a week max. So I'm going to use it again today just because I feel like the tops didn't quite lift as much. Also, that's so sweaty and gross. But yeah, so I think I'm going to go use that now. But I thought I'd just quickly pop on and show you the purple shampoo that I use. So if you just come with me to the bathroom. So this is the purple shampoo that I use, the Provoke Touch of Silver, and then obviously that's the conditioner as well. So yeah, basically just use that for like 5 minutes. This is like my first time doing it since I had my hair dyed like over a month ago, because obviously you can't use it within like 2 weeks getting your hair dyed. But I felt like it just needs a bit of a brighten, and it's quite bright in this light, but I just feel like I'm going to mainly concentrate on the top because the top feels like it could be a bit brighter, a bit more blonder. So that's what I'm gonna go do now. So I'll just leave it on for 5 minutes, and then like once it's dry and stuff I will show you guys my hair colour. If I like take it out now, I feel like it doesn't really you can't really see because it's like sweaty, but like this bit's like quite a lot darker than like the bottom bit. So I think I'm gonna go like try and concentrate on the tops, just see if I can like lift it a bit more, make it a bit more like ashy. But yeah, just thought I'd come let you guys know. Okay, so I'm on my way out, so I'm in a bit of a rush. Got ready literally in like 10 minutes, hence why my eyeliner's wonky. But yeah, I think it's made it quite a lot blonder. Like the front bits are blonder, obviously the bottom bit's always gonna be blonder because that's why my hair's the most processed. But yeah, I think it's just brightened it up a bit. So I'm now gonna go out, meet some friends, and then I'll check in with you guys tomorrow when it's like packing day and like proper get ready, prep, pack day. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Thursday and today is the day that I need to pack. I kind of thought I'd be packed by now. It's like almost 5 o'clock on Thursday, so I'm, yeah, I'd say a bit behind like my schedule, but also I don't go till tomorrow, so that's fine. But yeah, I've kind of, as you can see, just got like loads of clothes just on my bed. So I kind of like just need to work out what I'm gonna bring, what I'm gonna wear. I mean, I'm only there, so I need like my travelling outfit for tomorrow, so like Friday, and then we're going out for dinner in the evening Friday, so like I probably won't want to get changed. I'll probably just get to the hotel, drop us off, and then go out to Oxford. And then I got to Saturday, Sunday, and then we leave Monday. So yeah, I kind of need to like work out what I'm gonna wear. I also bring a swimming costume because we might like do like a slip and slide like thing. So I got a swimming costume with me just in case. But yeah, I just don't really know what to pack because obviously it's in England, the weather can change so quickly, and yeah, like currently it's absolutely pouring with rain, but it's meant to be sunny like on the weekend. So I mean, hopefully it is. I fingers crossed it's really good weather. But yeah, I just don't really know what to pack. Also, that reminds me I need sunglasses. So quickly chuck them in now. My sunglasses, which I'm going to bring with me, are my Miu Miu ones. I actually love these. These are a 21st birthday present. And yeah, they're little cat eye ones, and they're literally my favourite sunglasses in the world. Also, I've got no makeup on just because like I can't bother to wear makeup today, so apologies. Yeah, so sunglasses, fine. So I don't know how to do this. Like maybe I try on my outfits and like decide what I'm gonna wear and all that stuff. Maybe that's the easiest way to do it. I've also got 3 bodysuits which are the exact same but all in different colours. So I've got like my black one, and then I've got a white one, and I've got like a beigey one. So I just don't know what to wear. Oh, I like, you know, you just hate all your clothes at the moment. I just like hate everything at the moment. So right, I might try some stuff on and then decide what I'm gonna actually bring with me. So I'm just gonna start packing. I've changed suitcase because my other one was too small, but yeah, I'm just gonna get packing now. So the only real thing that I have to pack now is just like my makeup and toiletries and stuff. So I'm gonna pack that tomorrow morning when I wake up, because obviously I'm gonna do my makeup and I need to wash my hair tomorrow morning as well. But yeah, so other than that, I literally think we are all packed. So that's super exciting. So I think I'm gonna end the video here because I'm packed minus my makeup, but I'm not sure if I have enough time to like show you guys in the morning. Like my makeup, it's just in like a big clear cosmetics bag. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this sort of like prep and pack with me video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.